Now that we have done all of this, for part B of this question, they're asking us to find the value of f inverse of 2. So here's something interesting that we have to understand, right? I have to first tell you that this question is only worth 1 mark. So this is actually very straightforward. You have to think about the fact that the relationship between the original function and the inverse is the fact that the x and y's are going to be flipped. So if we're searching for f inverse, so basically what this means is f inverse of 2 is going to be equal to some value of a. So that means f of a is actually going to be equal to 2. So what we can do here is simply equate our original function, f of x, which we already have in the calculator, and then we can have another function, which is just 2, actually, and we just graph it. And once you graph it, it's the same graph as before with a line at y equals to 2. And then what we do here is we simply find the intersect, right? And the intersect here is going to be equal to this is 1.318. So in 3 significant figures, that is, let me rewrite this, f negative 1 of 2. 3 significant figures is going to give us the fact that f inverse of 2 is going to be equal to 1.32. And this also means that the original function, if you plug in 1.32, we're actually going to get 2. So this is very straightforward, and please don't overthink this question. Please do not try to solve the entire inverse, because you have to remember this is worth 1 mark, right? 1 mark questions are just straightforward questions.